I definitely share it because it will depend on the weight of of the stone. What's this? Maybe it is a jade or whatever. Because it is a dark green. It is a dark green. Oh my goodness. Sir Oji, you forgot. You forgot you have the head. Emerald. Can you see through it? Emerald. Maybe. See? It is a dark green. I cannot put it there. The light is... I remember El Coro is it's a big collector of stones in the seaside, from the seaside. Only thing not to eat on head is the lips. It would feel like kissing it. Gotcha, Mona. Oh my goodness. I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. Have a good night. Hug, Sir Oji. Thank you, everyone. I already hit my 1 hour. Sir Oji. Maybe we will go over the everywhere. We will go ahead. That cannot be it. My goodness. Thank you, everyone. I will end my live. Maybe I will see what I can cook for today. I don't have fish head, but I am waiting. I order some fruit and vegetables, so I am waiting for it. Thank you. Thank you, Mona, for the companion on my life. Thank you, Sir Oji. Have a good night, everybody who will going to sleep. And swap, drive safely. Love you all. Thank you. My internet has circle going round and round. Maybe because you are sleepy, Sir Oji. Thank you so much for the accompany. My screen. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one. Sisi, Ngati Ramona, thank you so much. Sweet-hearted. God bless everyone. I'm lagging, I guess. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Sisi Koy Beriterang, Ina Cyprus, thank you so much. And everybody, night-night.